Hey all, good evening.
Good evening, Dalit.
Yeah, hey Jyoti. And so today I would be covering fixed packs. Mm, And Neha said she would be little late, maybe around 5 or 10 minutes. Maybe after 5 or 10 minutes she will join. In the meanwhile, what I'll do, I'll just copy the file to Linux. Then we'll start discussing. So in short, if I say fixed packs are nothing but updates. Any software we discuss, it will have some updates. So uh, WebSphere it will release updates based on security and all those things. So I have downloaded the file. So let me copy paste and um, do the environment setup in WebSphere environment. Then once Neha joins, we will start the discussion again. So right now I just want to move the fix pack which I have downloaded. This file I have downloaded. I just want to move it to Linux box. It's 1.5 GB. Yeah, I guess it will take around 15 or 20 minutes. I have just downloaded maybe around 20-25 minutes before only this file. Yeah, Sandeep. Sandeep.
Yes, sir.
I believe you have gone through yesterday's class data source, right? And once again, okay, I'm not sure. That's fine. So what I want to say is like yesterday I was trying to say the message. Whatever we have done yesterday, like the data source configurations and those things, silent installations, those things for even for L1, L2 range, they won't do all those things. Even till L2 range, they will give all the documents, and then they will do. So L2 means maybe around minimum of after 5 years of experience, or minimum of 5 to 6 years experience. People will start creating their own commands and preparing documentation and try to do on their own. So what I'm saying, for at least I don't know about USA, but at least in India, right? Even the guy, if he's having 4 or 5 years experience, they can still expect everything would be documented by architects or L3s. And you should the only thing our job would be like we should understand and do it. And this situation would be in financial projects especially, and WebSphere most of the times it would be in financial projects. And if you go into small projects, right, and if your client is very small size company, then they will give leverage to do many activities. Process will not be so much strict. In financial domains, you will have very strict process. Everything would be defined, everything would be pre-planned. They will do development, QA, they will do maximum testing they could do, because they cannot take any risk in financial transactions. So if the client is not financial, and if it is a small size company, then such kind of companies will allow you to do more tasks. You're trying to, I guess you got what I'm trying to say, right?
Oh, yes, Praveen.
So I mean,
Yes,
if
Praveen.
yeah, so if you go with keeping mid-level experience, and if you go with financial domains, you can just follow the documents and do the work. Now let me copy it to pen drive. Sorry, Linux. it's getting copying to the next box. Yeah, I'm just waiting, once it gets copied, we'll get into the new cursor. So fine, Neha also arrived. Yeah, hey Neha, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Yeah. So we are covering the topic fixed packs today. So to start with, fixed packs, nothing, any every application, it could be any small application. The vendor or the product owner or the manufacturer, whatever. So they will release fixed packs. It will be there for all products, like even operating system or DBA for every application, and even for small application you will have fixed packs. So even what IBM does, they will release fixed packs. So basically fixed packs are like, the technology would be keep on changing. So you say Java, we host Java applications. So Java would keep on develop its code or its components, its features, all those things. So those features has to be enabled by WebSphere. So they have to upgrade the WebSphere. So they will release packs or fix packs, and then again after that, suppose there in the market now some security has to be maintained. Companies has to maintain some security standards, maybe because of certain viruses or because of some loopholes in the security, and maybe they want to tight some firewall. So such kind of reasons, right? So for any kind of such kind of important reason which really uh, improves features of WebSphere and improves security of WebSphere, and so for such kind of situation, IBM will release fixed packs. And again, fixed packs, it would be like this. So this is a page. So if you do some search in the IBM website, say something like WebSphere application server, packs, fixes, fix packs, whatever. So it will give names like this. But again, you will be having some professionals, you will have some big data, you will have your office logins. Every company will have their own logins, and you'll be having certain procedure how where and how to check fix packs, and you'll get certain details which fix pack is used for what purpose, and whether it does those fix packs are really important for our applications. So you should analyze all those things again. So it depends on what features are of your application. So and what kind of security your company need, and So all those things, the more you understand about your product, and the more you understand about the release which IBM has done, so you can take decisions. Again, these things would be done by senior levels. So right now, the main thing is we should know what is fixed pack and how we should do it. So this is what fixed packs. So we need to download to upgrade our application, and it can be given in two ways. So this is a simple fix pack here, interior fix pack. This is a simple fix pack, only one zip file. This I can fix, and I can update to my WebSphere to have this feature. And so here you'll see group fix pack. Okay. So here you're seeing group fix packs. Maybe we can download all the files, and we can update to have the features. So you can get group fix packs, you can get interior fix packs, and I'm having some definitions like fix pack, refresh pack. I was just saying this will contain a single pack, a single fix, and refresh pack. It will have a group of packs, a group of fix packs, and you can download it a single shot. And you'd be having some test fix, and IBM releases some text fix, and you can install that, update that fix, and if you are okay with that fix, you can continue, or else you can roll back. So this is little theory about fix pack, and let us start about implementation. So there are various methods, again, like WebSphere. We have seen how to install in GUI, and we have seen how to install using silent method. Yes, even fix packs you can install using GUI. We can install using um, silent method, again, yeah, through command mode. So let's start with doing GUI, and I have to do some more testing on silent and response. It should be the response files. All those things are similar way as we have done in WebSphere. But if I get some time, I'll do it, and once I'm through with my testing, I'll let you know. We can have one more class in the fixed packs. I'll let you know when we can have. So right now, let us have through GUI, and so there are, I have all these files. I'll send you all this across, and right now we are covering with which covers GUI, and then there are various methods, as I said, silent method, using command, all those things. So you can you refer these documents, and do some practice. Fine. And so right now I close all files which are not required for the time being. Fine. So to start with, let us go to our application. So to start with, anyways, we have to open a IBM Installation Manager. So let us open IBM Installation Manager first. Sorry, Installation Manager, Eclipse. Okay. So for To install fixed packs, anyways, we have to add repository, and then we should choose the option update. So to install a new application, we choose the option install. So to install fixed packs, we have to choose the option update, discover and install updates and fixes to install software packages. Accidentally, I have clicked on update. We have to see what would be the response. It took some packages. Okay, whatever. Let me cancel that. I didn't even add repository. Fine. So I have downloaded. Fine. So I have downloaded this zip file from IBM website. This is a part of refresh pack. So I just now placed in this software, this folder. Yep. Jyoti, are you able to hear and see? I've been seeing that you're getting disconnected.
Can see.
Okay, fine. Okay, so let me unzip this fix pack. Got. I'm having an issue with my keyboard. Okay, so unzip. So I made a mistake. Okay, so I'm just extracting this file to this folder.
-d wildcard is what used for what purpose?
Nothing. I have extracted. I gave the destination folder. After extracting, all those
Haha.
all those extracted files would be placed in patch. Means the folder name which I stated.
That I understood that you unzipped the zip file and moved that unzip to the destination folder that patch extracted. But that -d when you were giving before that zip,
Yeah.
it was not taking, and after that it took. So what's that D signifies here? Matlab this wildcard is used before that destination folder.
Today I'm just wondering. Even earlier, as far as I remember, when I gave it, did work. Maybe we can go back and check. Yeah.
Generally, when we give it's like ch mode -r. So generally we give the wildcard before that file name only.
Yeah. No, I don't know. I should. I don't know.
Yeah, actually, I didn't knew about that this -d one. That's why I was
Yeah,
asking.
yeah, yeah. Even I don't know why it behaved crazy today. So we should figure it out. It is one point. This file size is 1.5, so it may take a little time. I have one small fix pack after extracting. It had these are the files it had. So it would be having some repository.config file. We should add it. We should configure repository and proceed with installations. Don't know what all updates it is having. It is taking a lot of time. It's a lot of time. Okay, finally it's done. Okay, cool. So these are the files we are having: repository config, repository XML, update. Okay, fine. So let us go with maybe we would be using these files when you go with some other methods of doing patching. I mean, installing fix packs. So now let us, as we are going with GUI, this file is sufficient for us. So let us copy the path. Okay. Fine. So the very first step, I'm adding repository. Let me remove the existing repository and adding the new repository. Okay. Test connections. Yep, selected repositories are connected. So, okay. Fine. So earlier, all these days, we were clicking on install after adding repository. Now it's being fixed packs. We should click on update. Okay, yes, we are having IBM WebSphere application server version 8.5, and yes, this is the installation directory. It is taking by itself default, and so it is showing the options. What are these updates are having? I believe details: IBM WebSphere version 8.5, shared directory yes, installation directory yes, Eclipse OPT IBM WebSphere yes, okay. Install packages and fixes IBM WebSphere server trial yes. Ours is a trial version and I have downloaded fixed pack. I don't know whether it is for a license version or whatever. And I am selecting update all. Searching for updates. Oh, is it looking for online or what? Fine. And going next. Okay, the following repositories are connected. Yes, we are having HTTP, IBM software, base trial version 8.5.50. Okay, are not connected. Okay, I guess it is trying to connect through net, and it is saying it is not connected through net. Let me uncheck this. Let me go ahead. Okay. So I believe the fix pack which I have downloaded is not compatible. So let us go back to Windows and see how it goes here. I have one fix pack and this is for 8.5.4, and let me open IBM Installation Manager here and try. File preferences. Remove it. 100%. Okay, repository config. Okay, apply. I just want to restart installation manager. Okay, I want to check the repository again. Yeah, it's connected. Fine. So, as I said, let us go with update. Let's keep our fingers crossed and see how it goes. Same error. Let us select update all and select go ahead.
It may not be once we are downloading from IBM site.
Mm-hmm.
I hope all the files are not downloading.
Mm-hmm.
So files are missing. That's why it's showing some error messages.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So let us go with theory. I'll check it out. Where could be the issue, and then we'll have again about practicals. So yeah, as I was saying, like we will be covering GUI today. So if we talk about a GUI, here all steps are there. You can go to Fix Central and you can download fix packs, and then yeah, you need to add a repository and you need to click on update. You will see here, click on update and finish, and yeah, so this document is fair enough. After clicking on update, you should go on next and select the appropriate packages and install the fix pack. So this is about a fix pack. I mean using GUI, and so all these days we were we were seeing how to install WebSphere through silent mode. Let us have a look on silent mode once. I mean how we can install fix packs through silent mode. And even IBM provides the response files. Sometimes we can edit them and do it. So here, how did they show?
Praveen, can you scroll up?
Pardon? Yeah,
Can you
sure,
scroll
sure.
up?
Yeah, sure.
Like what is fixed central? Like in system, we are having update install. We need to download the update installer, and after that we need to download the maintenance packet, everything, right?
Not update installer. Here they are saying some package utility. I believe if you go to command mode, they are saying package utility. Let me say you. Okay, see.
Like the naming convention has been changed, yeah?
About you are saying about package utility.
No, no. Actually, the procedure in the procedure,
Mm-hmm.
part A is go to fix central, select web sphere as a product
Yeah.
group.
Okay. We are here fix central. Okay.
Uh, like in seven, we are having first, priorly we need to download the latest update installer, and after that we need to download the maintenance
Mm-hmm.
pack and everything.
Maybe that update installer could be for version 7. Here we are having IBM installation manager, right? So update installer is not required, I believe,
Yeah,
in version 8, from version 8.
yeah.
Yeah. So in this document they are saying that we can have some online link. You can even have URL. You can have in the form of URL instead of downloading complete package. You can even do in the form of URL. So that is what they are saying here. And Yeah, if you go through here, I believe they are using, they set the method only to use the existing response file. So response file, again, you know how to record. So you should record it, and then you can do it. So here they did not say how to record, so they are saying how to do from the existing response file. And so here the new concept is keyring. I'll do some testing on that, and I'll let you know. There is something called keyring. I mean, if you use this keyring, you can without opening IBM Installation Manager, you can use IBM Installation Manager to install in a silent mode using command mode. So and yeah, and we have seen in the response file it will automatically add the repository. So that adding repository step would be in the response file itself. And this keyring is about security feature with IBM Installation Manager. So yeah, this is about installing patches through response file. And there is one more method using command mode. Okay, yeah, using command line. So till here it is saying how to download. And so here in the command mode, you should add repository manually. So we had to do some test on this, and so in the response file we are not adding repository. Here in the command mode we are adding repository. So once I download some appropriate patch, maybe I'll we'll reschedule the patching class once I do some testing on the patches, and then I will have a class again. So yeah, these three methods are important methods. Like one is GUI, anyways we may not be doing in the real time, and using response files you would be doing, and yeah, using command line you would be doing. Here the new concept is keyring file. I believe I have some separate notes regarding keyring file. Yeah, I'll share you across. Even I has to go. I have to do some testing on this keyring. That's fine. So we'll check again, and we'll have this class. Yep. As of now, for today, this is about the patching. So any doubts for anyone so far? Okay. I just give me a moment. I have some real-time documents with me. Let me check that. Yeah, let me see. It's just taking time to open the image. This document I just had took some while doing some projects, so I believe it's having some steps about patching. Let me have a look. Let me recollect. Career, WebSphere server, ending WebSphere products. Let me go to next screenshot. Install, create, sell. Okay. Node agent. Well, this document is about building the server. I believe patching. Okay, patches screenshots. Let me check that. Oh, only one I'm having. No, I just want to enlarge the image, and so I'm just doing some experiments so that I can open it and able to read it. One second, just give me 2 seconds. I'm getting a call. Fine, I lost it. Okay. Okay, sorry guys. This it's hard to read this document. That's fine. So if this document is fair enough. So this is what I can say about patching. So only thing is we are missing is practicals about patching. So I'll download the appropriate patch, and I will once I do it, I'll let you know. So any questions on patching so far? Okay, and fine. So any other questions about practicals? So Jyoti, do you want to sit on weekends? Maybe Saturday or Sunday about installation?
About Linux installation.
Yeah, like shall we sit on Saturday, or you want to do it today?
Yeah, sure. I'm free. If you're free, we can do it now.
Yeah, it hardly takes 10 minutes. We'll do it today then. And
Okay.
okay then, everyone, if you want to stay, stay on the class, you can stay. We'll be just checking. We will be seeing how to install Linux on Jyoti's system. And yeah, let me make her presenter. Jyoti, I'm getting a call, so I'm making you presenter. So I mean, if you want to do anything from your end, you can start doing it, and I'll just be back maybe in 4 or 5 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
I made you organizer, so you can share your screen by yourself. Yeah, Jyoti, I'm back. Maybe you can. Shall I make you presenter?
Sure.
Yeah, I made you presenter. Yeah, you can view it. So you can open the virtual box. And, fine. Can you show the?
I already started.
Oh, you already started. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the error? The device
It
may
is
need to
showing some.
reinitialize. Will cause all data to be lost. This may apply to other disks. Okay, no problem. We can go ahead. You can click on ignore all and go to next. Because anyways, this is a new OS we are doing, right? This is the first time we are doing, right? Operating system. Click on ignore all.
Okay.
Okay, cool. No usable disk have been found. Okay, seems like some issue with the disk. Okay, okay. Let us go to the other screen. This VM main window.
Okay.
Okay. Shall I take the control?
Yeah, sure.
Let me see if I could have. Okay, I guess I should request the controls. Yeah, I'm requesting keyboard and mouse. You can accept it. Okay, cool. Let me check. Settings, storage. I don't have option to click OK. Fine. Oh, okay. Now can you go to other? Can you open the VM other tab? I guess I cannot view that. Okay. Okay, I'm taking the control. Okay, inside the VM they did not give the future. You can just click on back and then come to next. Click on back once. Okay, basic storage. Okay, again click on next. Mhm. Okay, reinitialize all. See that? Okay, I guess it's working now. Go with the default hostname, that's fine. You can go click on next. Yeah, you can choose the time whichever you want. Maybe you should select the dot India, keep somewhere in the map. Capture. Do not show this message. Maybe you have to, next time it comes means we'll select it. Do not show the message. Yeah, Asia Kolkata, yeah. Yeah, you can choose your own password. Okay, did it ask something about server, GUI, all those options also gone already over? Did you select the required Linux OS?
No, not it.
Okay, fine. We'll see then. Okay, replace existing Linux, change user free space. One second. Replace sync current system, use free space. Create custom layout. Okay, select use all space, the first option. Yeah, write changes to disk. Maybe it is slow, that's fine.
Ravi,
Yeah,
do you have any documentation on JDBC drivers?
JDBC, LC, LC.
We had
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, whatever is there, I'll send. Once these installation steps are completed, I'll send patching and JDBC all together. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, this is important. So once again, basic server, database server, web server, virtual, software deployment workstation, minimal. We don't want minimal. We don't want database, web server, virtual, no desktop. Okay, basic server is fine. That's okay. Top of the default installation of the data is the basic server install. Optionally select a different setup. Okay, and now how about second one? Please select any additional repositories that you want to use for software installation. Okay, high availability, Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Okay, can you come down in the second box? Can you scroll down the second box?
Yeah.
What is that? Resilient storage. Okay, basic and Red Hat Enterprise Linux is enough. You can click on next. You know the share drive, like where I'm uploading class files in sorry, in Google Drive.
Yeah.
Okay, but
Yeah.
yeah, I believe that drive is getting filled. So now you can check in the YouTube. My playlist is there. There it would be. Okay. Or else I'll share the other drive. Okay, right now YouTube is better to watch videos because the drive is full now. Okay, 6 seems to be a little easy than 7. I thought it will ask a few more options. Done. I guess it's all. It's done. It's our part is done. I guess. Okay. Then by the time it gets installed, I'll send the notes first.
Okay.
I mean,
I'm not giving to.
sorry. Can you take control now? Just move your cursor and at the VM you'll have two windows in the VM. If you click on VM icon at the bottom, you're not able to open the other VM. Means the VM
No,
main screen. VM main screen.
I can't see my cursor here.
Are you able to move your cursor?
No.
Click somewhere and start moving. Okay, okay, I got it. Now you should do press these two buttons. Press Control Home. Press Control Home together.
Already
You have pressed Control
I
Home.
did
Okay, now move the cursor. Okay,
not able to see
okay,
clearly.
fine. After pressing Control Home, just press Windows D button. Press Windows button and then D all together. Windows and then D all together. Okay, press Escape. Okay, as Raghu suggested, try with Control Alt.
Okay.
Press Control Alt and see. Okay, let me try to take control and see. Okay, I'm taking the control. Fine. First input device. Okay. Seems like everything is, I'm not getting control. Okay, click on input once. Select the input device, input, and the top. Okay, if you are able to control it, click on input. If you are able to take control. You're not getting control?
No.
Okay. Okay, as Raghu suggested, try Control Alt Delete and then press cancel. Try something like that.
Okay. It's working.
Awesome. Okay, now you can minimize this and open
Thank you,
the.
Raghu.
Thanks, Raghu. So you can minimize
Yes.
and.
No, I tried my local system. That's why.
Oh, okay, cool. Yep. Okay, I'll try to take control here. Settings, storage. You're not getting this OK button. Shall I cancel? And then machine. Okay, devices. We'll see how it goes now. I believe it's working now. Hopefully. Ah, positive sign. Yeah. Now actual congrats, Jyoti. Yeah, so try Control Alt, Control Home. Actually, in my VirtualBox, Control Home is working. Well, then try with Control Alt or Control Alt Delete and cancel, or whichever works. Follow those things to bring your cursor out of your VM. And
Okay.
yeah, then you should select while attaching, detaching pen drive. Select the VM. Sorry, pen drive icon at the bottom. Try try hit and trial method. Somehow you'll find out, like how to connect pen drive to laptop and how to connect pen drive to VM. So like that, download the software and then upload to your pen drive. And yeah, anyways, all of my videos are there. If you get any doubts, revert back, check my notes, videos, and yeah, start doing experiments. If you get any stuck, we'll check
Okay.
around. Yeah, we'll check around if you get any, if it's stuck somewhere. And so, okay, for the day, shall we wind up for the day?
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
I'll also do the installation today. If I'll have any problem, then I'll ask tomorrow.
yeah, no worries, no problem. Yeah,
Thank you.
thanks all. Bye bye. Thanks Raghu. Thanks Sandeep. Thanks Jyoti. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Thank
Praveen.
Yeah,
Good night.
bye.
Yeah, good night. Bye bye.